Hello friends, first of all, welcome back to my channel Classy Fashion Ideas by Ushna. So friends, I hope all of you are fine and doing well in your lives. Friends, this video is again very creative and very artistic because in this video I am going to share a wide variety of design ideas related to face mask embroidery patterns. All of these patterns are hand embroidery face mask patterns. You can use different type of fabric for making these, but kindly do make sure that the fabric is soft, that you can simply and easily wear throughout your whole day, and you can at the same time remain protected and safe from many different major and minor aquatic viruses, and especially this pandemic situation COVID, which has affected the whole human community massively. But before going into the further details and depth of the design ideas of the fabric which you are going to use to make these, and the sewing strategy or the technology, the fabricated material, the thread that you are going to use, I have a simple request to you that kindly, if you are new to my channel or you haven't subscribed my channel or you are watching my videos for the very first time, then kindly do subscribe my channel right now, and while subscribing do press the bell icon so that you could remain notified with the latest updates and uploads of my channel, because on my channel you can not only get crazy, stylish and trendy design ideas related to women fashion, but you can also get designing ideas of dresses for baby girls, for home decor. You can also get a wide variety and massive design ideas of hand art like crochet design, hand embroidery, like mehndi designs, like jewelry designs, and much more. So only you have to do is subscribe and follow us on daily basis, and we try our level best to share amazing, trendy, easy and eye-catchingly mesmerizing design ideas with you. So now we will talk about the thread that you are going to make these whole hand embroidery patterns with it. You can use staple, you can use anchor, you can use DMC for making these patterns, and at the same time you can also use wool for making these patterns to give a 3D rich and a layered look to your whole embroidery pattern. You can use thin, medium or thick embroidery wool to making these patterns. And now we will talk about, you will only need accessory to make these patterns is an embroidery frame and an embroidery needle. Now we will talk about the fabric. For fabric you can use linen, you can use soft cotton, you can also use some other organic stuffs, but they should be soft at the same time, or some blended stuff that gives a feel of soft linen or cotton. So thank you so much for watching. I hope that my suggestions, my ideas would be helpful for you, as you are going to design your own face mask like a designer by sitting at your home and by utilizing your free time into a very creative and useful product making. So thank you so much for watching. Hope to see you soon back on my channel. Up till then, take care of yourself. Don't forget to like and subscribe.